Hi, beautiful souls. I'm Mary Reardon, Reiki Master and Certified Hypnotherapist, and I've been honored to work with people on their healing journey since 2008 with hypnosis and since 2005. Today, I want to share a powerful spiritual practice that has transformed the lives of many of my clients and my own: mirror work. Mirror work is more than just self-love affirmations. It's a sacred ritual, a portal, a conversation with your subconscious mind, and when done with intention, it becomes a tool for deep transformation. What is mirror work? Mirror work is the practice of looking into your own eyes, your soul's windows, and speaking truth, healing, and intention into your being. One powerful technique I love is called Gyoshi-ho, a Reiki method where you gaze into someone's eyes to send healing energy. But today, we're turning that gaze inward. When you look into your own eyes in the mirror, you activate your third eye. You awaken your inner vision. You become more clairvoyant, more intuitive, more aligned. Before you begin, let's prepare your sacred space. Clean your mirror with Windex. A clean mirror reflects a clear intention. Bless your mirror with a drop of rosemary oil. Rosemary is protective and purifying. Draw your symbol on the mirror with your finger. This could be a cross, a star, a heart, or any symbol that resonates with your soul. As you draw it, say, "I now seal this mirror. Only energies for my highest good may pass through. This portal is closed to all else." Now, stand or sit comfortably in front of your mirror. Take a few deep breaths. Center yourself. Gaze into your own eyes, not your face, not your hair, just your eyes. This is where the magic begins. As you gaze, set your intention. What do you want to call in? Healing, confidence, abundance, love? Now speak your I am statements out loud. These are declarations to your subconscious mind. They are not just words. They are spells of transformation. Say things like, "I am healthy, wealthy, and wise. I am safe. I am loved. I am enough. I am open to divine guidance. I am healing more every day. Every day, in every way, I am getting better and better." You can use mirror work for any goal: emotional healing, manifesting abundance, building confidence, or releasing old patterns. Here's the secret. When you speak directly to your reflection, you're speaking to your subconscious mind. That's where your habits, beliefs, and emotional patterns live. And the subconscious mind responds to repetition. So do this every day, ideally for 40 days, or until your goal is reached. This practice is powerful, but it's not a substitute for professional help. If you're struggling with mental health or trauma, please reach out to a licensed professional. And please do not do this while driving or doing anything that requires your full attention. This is sacred time for you. So go ahead, clean your mirror, bless it, and begin this beautiful journey of self-connection. You are your own healer. You are your own guide. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs a little more light today. Until next time, I see you, I honor you, I am you. Namaste.